Meaning of inevitable.
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 Inevitable. The word inevitable refers to something that cannot be avoided or prevented, as it is bound to happen. When something is inevitable, it is certain and cannot be changed despite attempts to do so. It may refer to a situation, an event, a consequence, or an outcome. For instance, death is considered inevitable, as every living being will eventually pass away. Similarly, changes in technology are often inevitable, as they are driven by advancement and progress. Inevitability can often be a source of anxiety and uncertainty for individuals and organizations, as it suggests an uncontrollable future.